latest model of Abdullah Dough Kneader AE390 of 3.5 kg max capacity being checked for Daraz order. This is the shipping label. 19th March 2024. It has a measuring flask, a metal blade and a plastic blade. The machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages. This is the back side. This is from the bottom. As you can see, there are no damages, and now we will start the machine to check it. The machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. Then we pack it in its genuine carton. This is the carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top. Then we pack it in brown sheet and shrink wrap, bubble wrap, and paste fragile stickers on it. The machine is about to stop. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. It's a lifesaver for housewives nowadays. There you can see the machine has stopped and it is okay and perfect to be packed for Daraz. उल्टा रिव्यू वाला चलो बस इसमें जो है ना रिव्यू का कागज़ डाल के इसको पैक कर देना।